Hey Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing some of the Creme of Nature's Pure Honey Collection products. Starting off with the Moisturizing Dry Defense shampoo, it claims to clean the hair, help restore moisture, detangle, soften, and provide shine. This shampoo has so much slip, and it did not strip my hair. My hair felt moisturized, and I was very shocked at how moisturized my hair felt during and after I rinsed it out. Next up is the Moisturizing Dry Defense conditioner that claims to lock in moisture, smooth and soften, control frizz, and untangle the hair. It definitely smoothed my hair out and tamed that frizz. My hair was already soft from the shampoo, so I didn't notice a huge difference when I applied the conditioner. It wasn't until after I washed the conditioner out when I noticed that my coils were popping. Moving on to the Breakup Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. It claims to moisturize dry hair, protect against breakage, and help detangle. It was very awkward using two hands to get this stuff out. I didn't really like this product, honestly. Once the product got on my hair, it started to clump up. I was so afraid that it was going to either flake up on me now or during the takedown. It also made my hair feel really dry, unfortunately, so I wasn't feeling this product at all. Moving on to my favorite out of all these products, the Creme of Nature's Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. It's super thick. It claims to define, elongate curls, provide crunch-free, soft, shiny hair, and have a long-lasting hold. It also claims to be non-flaky, non-sticky, and non-greasy. Y'all know I love me a thick butter. It legit brought my hair back to life. I threw in some flat twists and bantu knot at the end so it could be curly and uniformed. My twists were so shiny and juicy. My hair still has a nice shine. It doesn't have any flakes, thank God. It's still soft, but the curls are firm, so I know that this is going to last me for a good 3 to 4 days.
There's an imminent storm, it's unavoidable.
Last but not least, I'm going in with the edge control. Y'all are about to witness how I finesse my alopecia with this edge control. I take a generous amount, apply it to the area, use a brush to smooth it out. Then I go in with my fingers to smooth it out some more. Do you see that shine though? Yes. Now I'm adding some gold pins because this is the vibe, and the edge control has a nice medium hold. Medium for my hair type. And this is the final look. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!